Vô in chú
Vô in chú
Toai thúr
Toai thú
Gần ấy
Cái này
Ani
Ani
We are
September we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. Cái channel lâu lồm lệ vết châu mom say hi.
Hi
Vô in chú hay is good Cắt tàu mo is good tàu Gần mẹ đôn ni cho nên Mexican
Mexican breakfast casserole
and some bread lệ Mexican beef and ako so gonna mas bamboo shot. You want to try doesn't have to be hot. You got already? Is it good? Tuyem tuy lutok
Good.
you like
It's
mizo?
spicy.
In mizo spices athak
A taco. Ooh.
You make it spicy, baby?
No. Her bamboo
Bamboo
shoots.
Huh?
Her bamboo shoots are spicy.
Oh, shit.
Bamboo shoot is
It's in here. You haven't had none.
Mom,
You're good.
bamboo shoot is mau tuai
Mao tway.
like rot tuai mau tuai. Kalau eke ve don chong ni ha he it's very healthy. A chung am bong sa te
One piece of
cheese
bread
po
for
thao om
Yep.
nia cho nên and lau marcha le onions will me a sel em ma thao tlem it doesn't have, it's a low calories food, right? Ai thao tlem na chop me nia mo
It's all vegetables.
vegetables.
That's not hot. These are a little spicy.
Hello!
Oh, everyone asked why did you never eat with us? I told them
He
Daddy
watches
said his
TV.
computer.
kapain computer entry mo. We have a separate seat for old people, so right, Daddy?
I have my own high chair.
Yeah, on high chair like a baby, right? No pang high chair ang kan actually na niya ni to ama chair, big special chair ni and comfortable though, very comfortable one, right?
Alright, I'll try a little. Tastes pretty good.
Remember this one we bought it from Indiana?
Yeah.
It was those big green things.
No, they were yellow.
No, the green things are what we just chopped up.
Well, it's not the yellow stuff?
No.
What was the yellow thing?
I don't know
This
what
the
it's
yellow
talking
one,
about.
I think.
That's
That's
the
the
yellow,
yellow.
one, and it's hot.
No, it's not.
What goes that on?
Bamboo shot.
Oh, that's the yellow one.
Yeah.
You put it on the salad?
Anywhere.
You are so funny.
Hey, I don't know.
Anywhere you want it, honey.
Hey, thank you.
Enjoy, Daddy.
Bye.
Want me to eat this whole thing?
Yeah, but leave that little piece for John.
Oh, okay.
I want him to try mine. And then there's salad and bean sprouts in here.
Bean sprout? Which one? That's not bean sprout. Bamboo shot.
Bamboo.
Bamboo
Sorry.
shot. It's okay. Say mau tuai.
Mao tway.
Mau tuai. Vô in chú mau tuai thúr gần ấy nhỉ. Say vô in chú
Vô in chú
tuai thúr
Toai thú.
gần ấy
Cái này
ani.
Ani.
We are eating bamboo shot. Hay cái is football ni ho. At sunga hiyan purun sen martamu.
And I did the bread
Ajinomoto.
like you asked me to.
Is good ka kan san sin.
But I didn't have garlic, so I used onion.
Sana powder kam tel bukat tel kam kang huya garlic
Hey,
ni
John,
kam pot.
there's a piece in the pan for you. I want you to try it.
Inside we put squash
It's yummy. Try it. please.
onion, chili,
I want you to try that too.
hot oil with garlic. Also we add some chili flakes.
Girl, back off. What's the matter, babe?
It looks so good. That looks really good.
Say atui mele
Atui mele.
means salad.
Atui mele.
It's all healthy. It's all vegetable.
I need something to drink.
You want me to go find it?
Orange with ice. Orange in the fridge.
Okay.
Alright, well, I just need just try the noodles there.
I'll set this here for now.
Here. This is a,
Not for me. Any more bread left?
it's not hot.
Do you want a piece?
It's just a salad.
Have you had one?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah, there's
yeah.
another piece in there for her.
You want that too?
What, baby? Yes, it's got chickpeas. It's chickpea salad. I made you and her 2 buns. I didn't. I made Dad and I.
Okay, I actually really like that. This is really good. You got a knife to cut that little piece of bread?
Which one, John?
He's gonna eat
They're
half of
both
your
really
bread.
good.
Oh no. Eat it. But I'm just asking, do you like my salad? That one is
The chickpea?
the chickpea with a squash. It's a
Yeah,
squash.
that's really good.
Remember when I was doing video call with you? When I was at home. This is bamboo shoot. You should try it
This
too.
is bamboo
It's
shoot.
a little bit spicy though.
No, not that much. Just a little.
That?
There you go.
Eat bamboo. John, when I was doing video call with you, that time I saw you from my house corridor down the garden I have. That's what we grow. The one you had just now.
This one.
The
Yeah.
hotter one?
And what I did
That's
is I
good.
put
That's
it in my.
bamboo?
No, this is bamboo. Yes.
Yeah, this stuff. That's good.
Baby bamboo. But they preserve, so they have a little bit kind of smell, but I like the smell. I was afraid everyone was worried today. They're like, oh my god, if you cook this, your parents will like it or not. I'm like, I'm not sure. Then
Oh, yeah.
you guys.
We like it.
It's good.
That's good. But I really like that chickpea
And I took my
stuff.
spiral.
That onion is perfect with this.
I took my spiral maker to do these.
Thank you, baby.
Oh, you're welcome.
And look, is that a casserole?
Uh-huh.
Cauliflower?
Cauliflower, balsamo peppers, fancy peppers, bell peppers, the real Parmesan. 2
crazy.
tablespoons of cream cheese and 1/4 of a cup of sour cream.
I wouldn't say I'm a big fan of chickpea, but these things are really good.
Yeah.
This?
Oh, you didn't find chickpea because it's a chickpea powder.
Oh, okay.
I use like a dressing because
Yeah.
No, it's good.
And they'll coat noodles with it.
Because I hate peas.
yeah, I make with noodles last time. Remember he tried with the beef and then the noodles. I make
Yeah.
chickpea powder.
Those are good too. I gotta try your spicy noodles.
We're
Oh,
doing
the
that soon.
2X?
2X.
She wants to do a video on the 2X, so if you're game,
We're gonna do challenge. Who can eat hotter?
if you're game, we'll do it.
Mom, Tori, you, 4 of us, if you're ready. We cook. We
Four of
have.
us, you will eat the hottest. Tori will be right next to you. I don't know,
Oh.
can you eat hotter than I can?
We need to make video
Probably.
because people request if we.
No,
if
you'll
we.
be hotter.
Yeah,
I'll
I
be
think
hotter
we like.
than we?
No, more than
Hotter than me.
Oh,
Mom.
okay. I was saying, no, man, I'll
They
dip
say
out,
that
like,
they will. They like to us do challenge because when we turn 30K subscribers, we are already on our way to 27K. So
Nice.
yeah.
Did you guys do a 20K celebration?
We did. We have. What did we do? 20K celebration. We
I know you had
That
the
was
10.
our. Is that our video?
Yep,
How we
you
met?
guys did a video.
Oh, okay.
what?
Was that how we met, or was that 10?
No, that
No,
was
10
10.
was the cake.
Was a cake,
was a
but then
cake.
you
20
and
is
Dad
the-
and her and I did the 30. Remember?
20 we did it when we do bye people who request
That's
bye-bye.
right, bye-bye.
Celebrate because everyone write their name and place, so I make them pronounce their place name and then bye-bye. To celebrate 20K. 30K is spicy noodle challenge. 2X. That's a request from people.
No, it's
so-
2X.
It's a
Hot noodles.
Spicy times 2.
Yeah.
Is there a spicy times 1?
on the stair.
Dude, look at this.
Did you
I'm
see?
still sweating from that workout.
Did
I
you
do the
And
one.
you showered.
I got showered.
I do the spicy noodles. Then there's a spicy noodle too.
And then they even have two
Spicy noodle one I can
I'll
do
take
with no
spicy
problem.
noodle.
I think
0.5.
3x. I think they already have 2.
No, the spicy noodle one's not that bad. I do it with no problem.
I'll start with spicy noodle 0.5. We'll go from there.
The one in the stairs, right? The first one to pile up. The one we bought it from India. Now it's a Korean noodles.
Yep.
It's,
I was gonna say that. It's a lot of money for
Yeah.
noodles.
It's like 72
oh, in our
rupees for a
money
dollar.
to buy one pack of noodles, 100 is a lot
Yeah, that
because you
sounds
still
like
need
a
to cook. It's not even cooked yet.
lot. Bill. Thank you.
You're welcome, baby.
Oh, I got that pain and cramp back up underneath my chest.
Uh-oh.
I don't know what it is, but it's starting to bother me. It's like every time I breathe in, it's like right here.
Hey, next time if you wanna see my brother-in-law, you better subscribe more and more. John na hudu zong zong kha train 30k kam ni huna John aron lang do na so wangin lo share tur tur oh I told them that they have to share
Come
because
around and-
no they cannot because we have to wait 30k.
Come
Only
around so they
see
can
him.
see you real
They
quick.
can't see me until
No,
30K.
until that's why. Because everyone say, "Where is John? Where is John?" I'm like, no.
No.
Maybe we'll push it at 40K. So we're on the subscriptions.
There's the spicy noodles for 30. And then it'll be John for 40.
Yeah, see, there you go. You already got a plan
But the
down.
problem is that he's not single. A single to bok sila umzia to umbak
Uncle Dan.
Oh, Uncle Dan. Yeah, they were teasing me when we say Uncle Dan is single. They were like, "Oh my God, I need a husband."
I like it.
Uncle Dan just did nothing but smile.
No, I was doing like that. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? And then this is my uncle. What's your name? He's like crazy.
Crazy Uncle Dave. Love it. All right, man. We'll
Bye,
get you guys
guys.
later.
Bye.
Love ya. Bye.
Love you. See ya. Love you, old man.
Old man.
We'll see you.
Tampa na ba kay pe. Love you old man. Ba tile cham. Ay kau na niya putar ti patin chama. Putar.
Tired.
John and mizo trong cham zong zong chu putar ti che cham mo. John learn only how to say putar in mizo. People say I should be the one who has a less portion in my plate, not mom. But always mom has a less portion. And then last time we vlogged, they did not see you eating the whole meal. They see you only when you bring the rice, I think.
Oh.
So they were like, "Oh my God, your husband eats so." Ako may ibit ham lawa tuna lo itay la appetizer ka salad ka ay po tanga ay so kanin main course ka ay po tanga soup dehan din sir. Ashan shan h kay chu ako fake karon h na baka ma video ka chu alaw lang law chan ka chu atir zong kanin na law ay lay lang lawa ato per rice po bu po hangin na ni chu. We say rice is bu. Ashan fake na 8.
Are you ready for yours?
Yeah, may ni chu.
All right, let's go get yours. I don't know if she'll eat any of that, but we'll give her a little bit.
Spicy, mom.
I know, but it won't hurt her.
But she like it though, right? When I drop on
She
the...
likes spicy food, yes.
Are you gonna try my bamboo shoot?
Yeah. I don't know if I'll have room before the show, but. Is
I
it
don't
cold?
want you to eat whole thing. Just eat taste, that's all.
Is it cold?
No. What do you mean cold? Like temperature cold?
Yeah, this should cold because you can eat whenever
I
you
don't know,
want.
but it made my lips burn.
Because I put that chili flakes.
So my lips are on fire, but not bad. It was very good, thank you.
That's good.
You like it? Kalomea.
Follow me.
I think I should teach you.
She did the veggies and I did the supper. We had a smorgasbord.
Before she come home, I got all the stuff, right?
Had it all ready for me.
Teamwork.
Kanula ko, mahain.
She texted me, she goes, Mom, what's for supper?
Yeah.
So she
I
didn't tell
forgot
me.
to tell her because I didn't take nothing out because I knew what I was
Yeah,
doing.
I text her what's for dinner. Then when she told me, I know what she usually adds. So then I go and cut
Yep,
it.
she went and added all
So
cut
I'm
up.
a smart ass.
I came home and it was all done.
She tell you she's almost caught up on the show?
No.
Virgin
You've
River.
been watching Virgin River.
I
Nice.
was up to 9 episodes. Season 1
It's
though.
good, isn't it? It doesn't matter. It's good.
Oh my gosh, I almost cried when that lady
I know.
broke her heart. Not the male
I
one.
know who you're
I'm
talking
talking about
old-
Joey
the
what,
mommy.
girlfriend.
Uh-huh.
Joey
The wife.
girlfriend.
Yeah.
His girlfriend or wife, I don't know, but it seems like girlfriend because they said they've been together 2 years. But
Oh, yes.
Joey said
Yes.
that I was never planning to have serious relationship with you, and
Yes.
that's what we're talking about.
Yep. It's crazy. But it is a love story all the way around. It only gets better. I mean, yes, him and her go around and around and around and around and around. But the thing that got me was the, what is that camp? Have you seen the stuff about the camp? Okay, never mind. I won't say nothing.
Learn new words today. You ready?
Sure.
Kafanu
Kafanu,
means my daughter.
my daughter. Okay.
So who is your
Kafanu.
Kafanu? Kanu.
out there.
Ma fakiti te kafanu di f lampang sing kan hey sap trong a chon fuck ni ka kanu te hin nui za thei tap ni so I don't want to say bad words at it it's hey trong ka chia ngai ve mo.
Yeah, it's that word's a little out there.
Yeah.
We'll learn it.
Yeah.
In America, it's a different meaning.
For coffin.
No, the other one.
Yeah.
The one that means God.
But
Ugh, my tummy's full. There's still a little bit more of that stuff if you want. John didn't eat it.
What's that?
My stuff.
Oh, no. Oh, thank you.
I'm so full.
Yeah.
I know.
So much food.
Puarlo tok. Cruise job part 2 เขากำลังจะชอกเจ็บตัวเนี่ยอ้อมเราเป็น drink แฟงเจ้า
And I drank water today, and my back has loosened
Hazel,
up.
talk anymore.
I mean, it still hurts
me
when I sit a lot, but I didn't sit much because we had 14 patients today, and
Yeah.
everything I did had changed because people had
Do you
canceled
like
and
it?
they added.
Yeah. I love it.
Dariah left everything at work.
Mm-hmm.
why he text you
Yeah.
Yeah, he didn't have a chance.
Where did you put it?
ấy nem tối rồi tôi nói cho invite bài phật miệng luôn thổi chân thì cho cắn chào với cắn chung nhà mà chơi con nuôi với cho video xem mi lát ya hay mi cần thiếu xem về thêm một chắc sẽ còn xem mà so we're gonna say bye for now because today is Monday so we all are tired including me because Monday Johnny to book and tired right mom
Yeah, she had to take care of the house and the dog.
Monday John kan in hi nok thei tua chan chu Saturday le Sunday vel
You can
weekends
give
nya
that to Scarlett.
yeah kan mo nu te hawan ron leng thina ta ham
She loves burnt bread.
in zong zong hino pang han ti nok chen ti tur tam ve thei tua tho
She
chan
ain't
chu
gonna
mo
give nothing else to her, but that's okay. She gave her
oh
the
this
burnt
is
bread.
hot spicy so you cannot eat my stomach love the food
Oh, I'm full. Oh my God, I'm so full. And you keep adding.
Bye.
Bye.